It began without a sound, a need. The oceans simply started to vanish.
The surface boiled. Clouds climbed to the edge of space.
From orbit, the blue planet turned ghostly white.
Where oceans once danced.
Without water, the winds stopped. The earth forgot how to breathe.
Every heartbeat on Earth faded, one after another.
Even the continents began to touch. Oceans no longer stood between them.
The sun's light, once life, became fire.
The oceans were gone. The sky was thin. The world had fallen silent. All that remained was a memory that once this world was blue.